Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a while since our last video, and we're going to try to hammer some out, so we'll see how we do. But today, we're doing redfish on the half shell. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll put the link down there somewhere. If you follow us on Instagram, you know we were out fishing South Padre last weekend, got into the redfish. Buddy of mine, Fred Robles, took us out, Rio Valley Meat Barbecue. Go follow him. Me and LC Barbecue, we went out and we tore up the redfish. So he cleaned them for us, and basically redfish on the half shell is, man, you leave one side of the skin on and you cook it basically on the grill. We're doing it on the Weber. It's a quick cook, but he gave us a few pro tips. We'll hit a little seasoning on it, cover it with ranch dressing, then put some fried onions. So, man, we'll walk you through it. Like I said, it's a pretty quick cook, and it was delicious. And you guys need to, if you get into some redfish, man, I still got more redfish. We're going to try a couple other recipes, but, man, this one's pretty good. So y'all follow along. Let's get to it. Got our Weber cranked up here, running a 2-zone fire. Got our chimney. Pulling the fish out. We've washed them. We've cleaned them. Flipping them over. Give them a quick inspection. We'll flip them back over because we're going to cook them. We're going to cook them skin side down the whole time. So that's why I call it, I guess, redfish on the half shell. So I'll leave it on the skin. I hit it with the salt and pepper from Alfredonia. Been playing with this rub quite a bit. It's just a simple kind of put it on anything. Salt and pepper. Hit it with some homemade ranch. We don't really like the squeezed bottle ranch. It's so much, it tastes so much better, the little packets with the buttermilk and the mayo. So we get them all covered up with that, and we're going to hit them with those, once we get them all covered up, we'll hit them with the French fried onions, or crispy fried onions, if you will. First I was trying to kind of squeeze them a little bit to knock down a little bit of the texture, but man, by the end of it I was just putting them all on, and covered them pretty good from head to toe, if you will. Yeah, we got them on the indirect side of the fire with the biggest part of the half shell facing the fire. So it don't take long, man. It's probably about a 20-minute cook, and here we are at 15 minutes in. Yeah, I did use a meat thermometer. Don't necessarily show it, but I ran them to about 145, 150, and man, the shells were crispy on the bottom. It came right off. Man, it was delicious. So it's definitely something that, man, spicing up your fish game a little bit. We need to be eating more fish around our household. So, but yeah, it was definitely a big winner. If y'all get a chance to get on some redfish or whatnot, or if you've got some other recipes, drop them in the comments and let me know. Otherwise, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one.